If you're having an issue with your Amazon Kindle e-reader and can't get it working properly, you might want to try either a soft reboot or a hard reset. They're two quite different things, with the latter being more severe than the former. A soft reboot is the classic switching it off and on again, or a restart. A hard reset wipes the Kindle of all your books, your Wi-Fi details, documents and any personal information. I'm Cam Bunton from Pocket-lint, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do both. If you need to factory reset, skip ahead to that section using the bar below this video. I've divided it into sections for easy navigation. So first up, a soft reboot, the old off and on again. It's the first thing to try if you're facing issues with your Kindle. It's simple and can be useful for clearing minor issues in the system. So first, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. On most Kindles, this is the only physical button on your device. You'll see three options on the screen: cancel, restart or screen off. Choose restart and now wait for the Kindle to come back on. There is another method too, so swipe down from the top of the screen and select all settings and then device options on the next screen. Find restart in the list and then tap yes on the pop-up menu. Now wait for the Kindle to come back on. If it doesn't come back on its own, hold the power button for 30 to 40 seconds or just keep holding until it powers back up. Now, as mentioned, this process doesn't change any settings. You're simply switching the device off and on again, not erasing any data at all. It can be helpful for dealing with frozen screens or unresponsive buttons. Let's move on to the hard reset. So if you continue having issues, either contact Kindle support or you can try a hard reset, which takes everything back to scratch. It's not something you should do often and really is a last resort. Of course, it's something you'll also want to do if you're selling it on or giving it to someone else, and that way they can set it up as their own device. If you want to take this option, swipe down the top of the screen to reveal the Quick Actions panel. Now tap the All Settings icon and choose Device Options on the next screen. In the list, find Reset and tap it. You'll get a warning on the next screen and be asked to confirm that you do want to factory wipe the tablet. Hit Yes to confirm. Once this is done, it will erase all of your data, your settings and personal information, and that includes any downloaded books, documents, as well as any personal settings, so things like your Wi-Fi passwords and Amazon account information will be gone. So when it boots back up, it boots up as a completely blank slate. So you'll have to go through the setup process again as if it's a brand new device. Thankfully, you get some simple on-screen prompts to help you get it all logged in and set up again. It's fairly straightforward and mostly just involves connecting to a Wi-Fi network and signing into your Amazon account. So there you go, a simple guide to rebooting and factory resetting your Amazon Kindle. I've been Cam, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye for now.